Welcome to my educative channel. I'm Dr. Ricardo Hoogstra, plastic surgeon, Buenos Aires, Argentina. I'm specialized in facial rejuvenation, minimal invasive procedure, and laser technology. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of the malar area in the facial rejuvenation. Here we can see a sad entire look, and here we can see the distance from. If you see this picture, you are going to take the view in this area, and today from this area I'm going to talk about the lower eyelid and the cheek area. This patient, this is the lower lid cheek junction. Here you can see the difference between the lower eyelid skin and the cheek and malar skin that is thicker. And also you can see this patient have no volume of the cheek area, of the malar area, and the distance between the tarsal area and the cheek is very long. It's a very long distance of the lower eyelid. Here we can see the lower lid cheek skin, and here we can see the lack of volume of the malar area and the descent of the skin of the lower eyelid, and also a lot of wrinkles. This patient came to visit me, and she visited me for this characteristic, and I propose fillers in the malar area, in the cheek area, to voluminize the malar, the cheek area, and improve not only the cheek but also improve the distance of the lower eyelid. Here we can see a flatness here, and what is the difference between this patient and this beautiful girl? If we talk only of this area, this beautiful girl have a nice volume of the malar and cheek area, and also have no distinction between the malar and the lower eyelid junction. And this patient have no volume in the malar and the cheek. The distance from the tarsal to the cheek is this one, and it's very long distance is a characteristic the unbeauty. And also the lack of volume of this area is unbeauty. Here we can see a good cheek, and the distance from the tarsal to the cheek is very low, and here also is almost imperceptible. But in this guy is completely different. We have flatness here, the long distance, this is lower lid cheek junction, no volume of the malar area, and this is not a sign of beauty. This represents sadness, tiredness. This flatness of the cheek is a lack of beauty. And this happened with this guy, and here we can see how the improvement, natural improvement of the malar cheek area not only improve the volume of the face but also improve the lower lid beauty. And also we can see this is the tarsal is descend a lot, and here is a compensation for the voluminization of the malar. Here is the lower lid cheek junction, and this is the distance, and here is after voluminization. If we trace a vertical line, you can see clearly where is the new position of the lower lid cheek junction. Here is a V, lower V, and here is a concave. Here there is no volume of the malar cheek, and here is a volume and a sign of beauty. Here is the tear-through channel, and here there is no tear-through channel. And here we can see how improved the expression of the face, the beauty of this voluminization, the shortness of the lower lid. What is this face is not compare this, but is almost is like this volume and this lower low distances, and also this compare with this, and this is not. I hope you understand this presentation. I think it's very little complicated, but I perform this procedure just only in 1-2 minutes. Just is one syringe here, another syringe here. Is natural, beauty, faster, ambulatory, etc., etc., etc. Have a nice day.